hand pull towards you like you're going overhand. Your right poi push away from you like you're going underhand. So you're in an opposite direction buzzsaw. Let me show you the context of the move first. So you're in an opposite direction, same time buzzsaw. Then what you're going to do is take both poi, come up. One will go behind, the one that is underhand will go behind. All right, so my left poi was overhand. The overhand one comes behind your butt and taps your butt. Then it changes direction to underhand and then it taps your back. So you do a circle in the buzzsaw, tap your butt, circle, then back, circle, buzzsaw. Buzzsaw back, buzzsaw butt, buzzsaw bat, buzzsaw butt. And then the same thing with the other hand. And one is going to the back while the other one is going to the butt. So if we started where we were, where the left was an overhand, the right was an underhand. The right will tap your back, the left will tap your butt. Now, if you watch me from the front, because it's not obvious, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lean away from the one that's going over my shoulder so that I make space for it on my back. Boom. Then I come back to neutral. Then I'm gonna lean the other way to make space for the other one. Boom. And then I wouldn't perform it that way, but also remember to have the parts of your back covered where you would be tapping on your back. Similarly, the parts of your butt covered that you would be tapping on your butt. And I definitely tap myself. I mean, that's part of the trick. It's like once again, this is the whole, you're playing with the death-defying nature of what it is that you're doing. And you're playing with the illusion. This is a place where the whole thing that I was saying about the layered clothing with the black on top and then a colors coming through the see-through with the peekaboo is really sensible. So that when you plan your designs, you have it so that it's black in places where you might tap it. And then of course, the other thing to be careful of as somebody with longer hair, one of the reasons why I tilt my head is to get the hair out of the way and prevent burning and singeing. So that's another relevant thing. Let's do the drills together. Let's do the left hand first. Start in overhand, and then what we'll do is a circle, tap on your butt, come out underhand, tap on your back to overhand, butt to underhand, back to overhand, butt to underhand, back to overhand, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle. We'll do 5 more, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle. 2 more sets. And back, and last set, butt, circle, back, circle. Then let's do the right hand. Start from underhand because you're in opposite direction. And we started the left hand and overhand. So your underhand here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back, circle, butt, and back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle. 5 more, back, and butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, and last one, back and butt. Now, until you get comfortable with it, you may want to put them all in a row. So you could just start with 1, with your left hand overhand, your right hand underhand, get it synced up, sink it up, and then you'll count off 5, 6, 7, 8. Left goes to butt, right goes to back, and then change direction. The right one's overhand, left one's underhand. Now you need both directions of the opposite direction buzzsaw first before this is going to feel comfortable. So you may need a little bit of time with those if that's new